Our clients wanted a bed that showcased their passion for cars and bikes, so we built a Murphy wall bed with LED lights, side displays for the ultimate blend of function and style. When it's time to rest, simply pull down the bed and enjoy a cozy sleeping space surrounded by what you love. These custom showcases are designed to turn your prized collection into a stunning display, all while keeping your space organized and sleek. Whether it's day or night, this Murphy bed lets you enjoy the best of both worlds: functional living space and a personalized showcase. Transform your room into a statement of style and passion with our custom Murphy wall bed. Ready to bring this unique design into your home? Contact us today to get started on your custom project.